And I'm back, and this is part 2. We're gonna stain this deck. So I got a brush, I got some gloves, I got OV, which is organic vapor cartridges on my mask. I like to protect my lungs because this stuff stinks pretty good. I'm using SRD wood finish, multi-use translucent exterior wood finish, 1 coat. The 078 natural is the color I'm using. And basically, if you look in here, beyond reading the precautions, it says use on outdoor wood decks, siding, and railings. Okay, so there you go. So you can see that stuff that we cleaned the other day. You know, it didn't all come up, but I don't think it ever will, unless I, I pressure wash it. And I'm not bringing a pressure washer way in here, so I think it's gonna be fine. There's a couple of little sticks here. I'm just going to paint around them. Little trees grow up sometimes through the slats, but anyways, don't do what I do what I say. It's going to be fine. Forgot my hammer. Yeah, it's going to have some black spots in it. There. Okay. That's coming along pretty good. I'm only about 1/3 of a can into it so far, so yeah, it goes on well. And there, the deck's all done. That was only about 1/2 gallon of Cetal. Just one small problem. I didn't lock the door. When I went past there, I should have locked the door, right? So we've got to figure that out. Anyway, always something to keep the rabbit's tail short, as they say. Another project. I've created another project for myself. How do I get over there and lock the door? Okay, thanks for joining me. Comment, like, and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up if you like this kind of content. You're free to subscribe. And we'll see you again here very soon on Everyday Projects. Bye for now. Okay, now how do I get to the door?